Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to the Woodsmith Shop. You know, like a lot of woodworkers, I like my traditional workbench, especially when I'm working with traditional hand tools. But when I switched to power tools, I thought, I need a new bench. Well, here it is, our power tool workbench with a big, massive top, a power tool charging station here on the end, and then some pull-out, carry-around storage totes. Well, it all starts with the base, and that starts with aluminum tubing for the legs and some tips on how to cut aluminum at the table saw. Well, the legs are joined together with plywood panels and dividers to create the storage compartments. And then it's on to the top, where I wanted to use solid hardwood for a good sturdy top, and some tips on how to cut the end square and my favorite finish for a top like this. And finally, it's the carry-around storage totes that we wanted to make very sturdy, so we used box joints and a jig at the table saw for cutting perfect box joints. Well, I'm ready to start building this power tool workbench, so stick around for the Woodsmith Shop.